Looking at leaders that I look up to this day still, they were vulnerable. They weren't afraid to be wrong. They weren't afraid to open up about personal reasons why they're doing what they're doing.
You see so many different styles of leadership. For me, I always knew that I wanted to work for community. I wanted to work on behalf of our tribes to tell the stories of our amazing Indigenous athletes.
Everybody has such a different story. It's really amazing working with the Native American community and seeing what it means to show up as a leader for your community.
Your voice matters, intentionality, and how you communicate with others really, really matters. Just be a sponge and take it in, have that awareness around connections that you're making within your different organizations, your different tribal communities. That's also going to help empower your communities to move the work forward.